Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Chettinad is popularly known for its cuisine. Today I'm going to share this wonderful recipe with you guys. This is Chettinad style chicken pepper masala. Why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Chettinad chicken pepper masala, first I'm going to dry roast a few ingredients for the masala mix. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 3 tablespoons whole peppercorns and 2 red chilies. Dry roast the ingredients on medium flame for about 3 minutes till you get a lovely aroma. Turn off the stove, cool the ingredients completely. Once the ingredients are cooled completely, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. To a pan or kadai, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add whole spices, a few cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. For this recipe, I am adding 4 large onions chopped. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. Next, add 2 teaspoons of pound ginger and garlic. This is freshly pounded ginger garlic. You can also add ginger garlic paste if you have that. Give it a quick mix. Add 3 chopped tomatoes. Once the tomatoes have become a little mushy, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Add the chicken pieces. For this recipe, I have taken 1 kilo of chicken with bone. Wash it clean. Mix the chicken pieces along with the onions and tomatoes. You can see the chicken is no more pink. Next, add 2 cups of water. Since this is 1 kilo of chicken, I have added about half liter of water to cook the chicken. Close and cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if you see the chicken is almost cooked, now I am going to add the spice mix, that is the masala powder. So this is freshly made Chettinad pepper masala powder. I am using 5 teaspoons of the pepper masala powder for 1 kilo of chicken. Now you can adjust the quantity of masala you are using depending on the quantity of chicken you have taken for the recipe. So gently mix the masala powder along with the chicken. Wow, the chicken looks absolutely amazing. You can see the instant color change after adding the masala powder. At this point, I am going to add a few curry leaves. Mix it in. Close the saucepan and cook for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the pepper chicken is looking absolutely fantastic. So you can see the chicken is cooked perfectly and the pepper masala is coming together beautifully. Finally, I am going to check for seasoning. So I am going to add another teaspoon of salt. This incredibly delicious Chettinad chicken pepper masala is done. Turn off the stove now and you can serve it nice and hot. So there you go. Here is this simply spicy and delicious Chettinad chicken pepper masala. Now this can be enjoyed as is, or you can enjoy it with some nice rasam or sambar by the side. Do try the recipe, enjoy it, share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys.